Welcome to Buy Sell Vouchers. In this video, we will guide you on how to buy gift cards with Trust Wallet on Buy Sell Vouchers. Once you are on the Buy Sell Vouchers website, here first, choose your desired gift cards category. Then choose a specific card that you need. On a product page, click on the Buy Now button. Now the payment page is indicated. Here choose one of crypto payment, like I choose USDT BEP20. Here you can see the token address, copy it. Now let's move on to a Trust Wallet. Once you are on a Trust Wallet, click on Send. Choose a crypto network, like I choose USDT BNB. Here, paste the address which we copied before from Buy Sell Vouchers. Enter the amount. Click on Preview. Here's the confirmation page indicating. If all is confirmed, then simply click on Confirm. That's it, you have sent a payment. Now back to Buy Sell Vouchers and click on Confirm button. Now payment status is processed. It will take a moment to confirm. Once payment received, you will have a Get Product button. Click on it, and your gift voucher indicated. Congratulations, you have successfully bought gift cards with Trust Wallet on Buy Sell Vouchers. Thank you for choosing Buy Sell Vouchers.